Killik Lifetime Planning is a tool designed to help you see your financial future more clearly by modelling different scenarios and allowing you to visualise your long-term goals. We are pleased to announce that this feature is now available in the myKillik app. To access Killik Lifetime Planning, look for the new introductory card on your app's dashboard. The first time you use this feature, you will be prompted to answer a few questions to get set up. You might have already used Killik Lifetime Planning via the web version of myKillik and are confident you know how it works. In this case, you can skip this step. Otherwise, you have two options: to allow the app to pre-fill the answers for you based on the records we have in our system, or to start with a blank canvas, which we'll do for the purposes of this demo. The first step is to enter your contributions and income, your regular monthly contributions, what you wish your peak savings age to be, usually your retirement age, and your required monthly income after you retire. Step 2 asks about your peak savings target. If you're unsure how to calculate this, our handy calculator will work this out based on your peak savings age and required income if you've entered them. This can be overridden if you wish. Step 3 logs your future events. These are your anticipated income and outgoings. If you previously entered them, your monthly contributions and required monthly income have already been added for you. By default, the date that your monthly contributions will stop will coincide with your peak savings age. This will also be the date that your required monthly income will start. Both dates can be changed if you wish. Use the Add New button to add more. For example, you might know that you'll be purchasing a house in a few years, so these details can be added here: a description, type, in this case withdrawal, occurrence, icon, date, and value. The final step is for your wider wealth. To get a full picture of your financial future, you may wish to add in savings, investments, and assets to get a clear picture of your wealth in the future. Use the Add New button to add a new entry. For the purposes of this demo, we'll skip this step. Tapping See My Results will take you to the main Killik Lifetime Planning page, where you will see your chart update with your entered details. The graph depicts your wealth on the x-axis against your age on the y-axis. The dotted vertical line shows your peak savings age, and the horizontal dotted line is your peak savings target. You can press and hold anywhere on the chart to drag the indicator line to any position. This will update the value, age, and date at the top of the screen. In this way, you can see your projected valuation at any point in your future. Above the timeline, you will see your future events depicted. The small dots are red for withdrawals and green for contributions. Tap on the icon to see full details. Here is the house purchase which we added earlier. Tap the cross icon to exit the future event details section. If you have multiple future events on the timeline in close proximity, the icon will be replaced by a number. When tapping the number to open more details, you can swipe between each event. Again, close this by tapping the cross icon. Below the graph is your projected portfolio return and your upper and lower projections. As stated, please be aware that these forecasts are no guarantee of future performance. Next to the value at the top of the screen is a toggle to switch between chart view and service allocation view. This gives a breakdown of your services and how they are allocated across Killik investment services. Editing your Killik Lifetime Planning information is done using the Edit button. You can tap on any field with an arrow beside it to edit the information. Tap Save when you're done, or Cancel if you wish to discard the changes. New wider wealth and future event entries can be added using the Add New button. These can be deleted using the Delete Event button or by swiping left on the list. Tapping the three dots at the top of the screen will give you further options: restarting the tour or walkthrough, giving us feedback on the service, or contacting your advisor. Use the arrow on the top left of a screen to return to the dashboard. Anything you add to Killik Lifetime Planning on the app will be available on the web and vice versa.